Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Let me just mark your attendance and then we are going to begin.
Good morning, ma'am. Ashika present, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon,
morning. Good
beta.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
I am
beta.
Kanishka Yadav.
Very nice, Kanishka Yadav. Very nice. Right now, very less students are present in the class. How many? Only 17 students are there. So less students.
No, ma'am. There are 20 showing in my.
In mine, there are only showing 18, 19. Now it has become 19.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Arhan, and there is one child named Arhan, and the other one is similar kind of a name. I saw two names.
Ma'am, Arkan.
Arkan and Arhan. Very nice, very nice. Arhan, third B. Okay, beta. So everybody is ready with their GK books? Yes, this is again this is again your GK class.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let's do.
Ma'am, you.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, you cannot speak my name.
What is your name? Tell me. Huh? I can't listen only. Yuvraj Gupta, I have written your name. Don't worry. I have already written Yuvraj Gupta.
For what?
For nothing, beta. Just I'm marking your attendance. No, I'm seeing who all are present.
Good morning, ma'am. Ashriya Agarwal present.
Good afternoon, Ashri
Good morning,
Agarwal.
mom and Singh present.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. Now it's your last class. It's noon time now.
Afternoon, ma'am.
What do you do right after your school gets over? What do you do after this class? Tell me.
Ma'am, sometimes we play and sometimes. Ma'am, first I eat my lunch
Wait, now
then
listen, children. First
after.
of all, this is really not good. These are not your good etiquettes. When one person is speaking, you have to wait for that person to finish. I have seen this habit in so many classes. That one person is speaking and in between the other starts speaking. Beta, this is not good. These are not your good manners. Wait for first person to finish. Yes, Bhave, you were saying something.
And then at evening to night I do my tables and then I go down for read with my daddy Hindi literature book, 2 chapters or 2 poems, and then I do the English reading.
My God.
And
So whole day you study only.
Ma'am, not that. And then when my class over, I watch YouTube in my personal laptop. This is my laptop that I am using. It is my personal laptop.
Okay. What do other children? Now Stuti Khandelwal, you speak.
Then I am play and we eat food. Then I am.
Ma'am, after Shruti, can I tell?
Now you can tell this thing. If you want to speak, you can tell this thing in the chat box. Whosoever wants to speak, let me know in the chat box. Don't speak in between. Yes, Tuti, what are you saying? What do you do?
I am some games and we eat food. We मैं ट्राई करती हूँ उसके बाद
Sorry, ma'am, for bringing
What did you say? What did you say? What do you do?
मैम उसके बाद मैं ट्राई करती हूँ खाना खाने के बाद
काम करती हूँ.
खाना
What
खाने के
work?
बाद
After having lunch, you do some work. What kind of work do you do?
मैम everybody voice
Ma'am,
so loudly school work
Okay, homework. You do your homework. You do your school work. All
Ma'am,
right.
can I tell?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Tell
can
Parth, what do you do?
Ma'am, can I tell Ashray?
Ma'am, everybody voice is coming so loudly.
Ma'am, I have after the class I have my lunch and then I go I go to my taekwondo class.
Oh, very nice. You have started your taekwondo class. The
No,
start-
ma'am, I am a 2 years old student of taekwondo.
No, that's fine. You are 2 years old, but these classes have started. In your academy, students are allowed to go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
Ma'am, I do taekwondo at home. I have a kicking pad at home.
All right.
It is
Now
very-
who else wants to tell?
Taekwondo.
Now
Ansh Patel.
those who have spoken will not speak. Yes, Ansh Patel, what do you do?
Ma'am, first my class get over. After some minute I eat my lunch and ma'am then I go. Then after some minute I go with my friends to park and play. Then at 4 o'clock I study by my sister and then ma'am at 8 o'clock I eat my dinner and ma'am at 9 o'clock I go to bed.
Oh, very nice. That's wonderful. You sleep so early, so timely.
Ma'am, can I tell Rishabh Kumar?
Okay, Rishabh Kumar, what do you do?
The class night is over when I go to in 1:30. I my lunch when 2:30 I watch TV when 3:30 I go 3:30 I eat and drink snacks and milk and the 4:30 I read in 5:30 I am go to play and 6:30 I go to tuition and come on home and 7:30 I do my homework tuition and 8:30 I do the school homework and 8:31 I eat dinner when I go to bed time.
Ma'am,
Very
there
nice.
is no school homework.
Ma'am,
Class
can I
is
And the timetable in home
Ma'am,
also.
can I tell?
Okay, Arav Gupta. Arav Gupta, class 3rd B. Tell what do you do?
Okay, ma'am.
Aradhya, mute
After doing
yourself.
the classes,
Aradhya, mute yourself.
after doing the classes, I take my lunch and after that I play sometime and after that I take rest and 5
Unsha,
to 6:30
Unsha, can't you mute
I take
yourself?
snacks. It's my snacks time.
Okay. And then after that, after having snack,
And I go to bedtime.
what time do you go to bed?
Ma'am, at 9:30.
Okay, that's nice. Wonderful. Anybody else wants to tell his routine?
Ma'am,
Abhineet Singh will tell.
Ma'am, after the class, I am eat the lunch. And when we do class, and I am go to play. And 3:30, I am read a poem. And 4:30, I play with my friend. And 5:30, I am come on the home.
Okay, very nice. Very good. Very good. So that is all your routine. What you people do, you people take a little rest, you people go out to play, you people eat your food, you people study again, and then finally off to bed.
Ma'am,
Yes.
one boy, Vedanshu Prakash, has sent in the chat box. Ma'am, I sleep at 12:30.
Yes, Vedanshu Prakash, what do you do till 12:30? Let us know. Vedanshu?
ma'am.
Vedanshu, are you there?
Ma'am, can I also tell?
Ma'am, he is not in the meeting. Ma'am, he is not in the meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, he must have left.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can hear you. Prakash in the
Ma'am, he
meeting.
is in the meeting. Ma'am, Vedanshu Prakash in the meeting.
Okay, Vedanshu Prakash, you are there in the meeting?
Yes, ma'am.
Vedanshu
ma'am.
Prakash, you have written in the chat box that you sleep at 12:30. So what do you keep doing till then? Vedanshu, please let us know.
Then what we have to tell about? Ma'am, at 1:30, I will eat my lunch
Okay.
till
Open your camera,
1:45.
beta. Open your
At
camera,
2
Vedanshu.
o'clock till 3 o'clock I rest, and at 3 o'clock till 4 o'clock I study and complete my schoolwork and homework. At 4 o'clock till 5 o'clock I play and cycling.
Ma'am,
At
Vedanshu,
5
please open
o'clock,
your camera.
6 o'clock.
Vedanshu, open your
ma'am,
camera, beta.
Arav is saying jhoote from backside.
Who is Arav?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, no.
Okay, Vedanshu Prakash, open your camera. Yes. Okay, what do you do till 12:30? Tell after 9 o'clock. What do you do after 9 p.m.?
After 9 o'clock till 9:30 I eat my dinner, and after 9 till 10:30 I study with 10:30 till 11:30 I am mother and till sister.
Okay. So you do all this late night.
Ma'am, now can I?
We all have
Can I,
different routines. So how are you able to wake up in the morning? Do you attend morning classes? The class that begins at 8 o'clock? Are you able to attend that class?
Yes,
Yes, you attend. You were there in the morning class. I have written your name. Okay, that's very nice. Despite sleeping so late, you attend your morning class. Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Panchul Mishra. Let us hear from Panchul Mishra. Everybody mute yourself. Panchul Mishra, please sit straight. Don't move your phone. Keep your phone somewhere where it can be still. Okay, speak.
First, I wake up in the morning at 6:30.
No,
Then,
beta, no. Don't tell from 6:30. Tell what do you do after your classes. After 1:15, what do you do?
after my classes, I go downstairs and have some lunch. Then, after coming up, I have rest till 2 o'clock. From
Only
2
2 o'clock.
o'clock.
Just half
Yes,
an
ma'am.
hour rest.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Then
from 2 o'clock, I study till 6 or 6:30.
oh,
Then,
4 more hours. 4 hours
ma'am.
you study. My God. Then
From 6, I play outside cricket. And from 7 to 8 o'clock, I play mobile games.
all
Then
right. Then
I go downstairs and have my dinner, and then I watch TV with
okay. And
my
what time do
father.
you sleep at night?
Ma'am, 11 or sometimes 11:30.
Okay. Good. So, but you spend a lot of time studying. That's also fine. Very nice. Anybody else wants to share his routine?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Okay. Let us hear from Jasrina. What does Jasrina do?
Ma'am, after 1:15 I go to my coaching. Then I
Okay.
come 2:30 and come and have a lunch. Then and 5 o'clock I go to drawing class and come back till 6. And I'll come to playing 6:30.
Yes. And till
Yes.
9 o'clock, 9:15, you people play, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then after 9:15, what do you do?
And then I
Okay. Jasrina paused. Jasrina stays very close to my place, and Jasrina comes outside my house, and these all kids along with my kids, they play together. Yes. Now Ashray. Okay, Ashray Agarwal, you tell.
Ma'am, after 1:15, I play at 2:30. From 1:15 to 2:30, then I eat my lunch. 2:30 from 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Then I study. Then I study at 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Then I eat. Then I watch TV. Then I play for some time. After that, I eat my dinner. After that, I play for some time. Then I sleep.
Okay, very nice. Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, Shamim Akhtar. Shamim Akhtar will tell.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Ma'am, wait.
Shamim Akhtar, you have closed your camera.
Ma'am, when you
Arhan,
do our
Arhan, why are you sitting so sad in the class? Are you not happy? Arhan, why are you so sad? And Athar Singh also, you're sitting so sad in the class.
ma'am,
Where are your smiles, beta?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I want to say something.
Okay, say.
Ma'am,
now I tell.
Wait. Now, which student was saying something? I told him to say.
ma'am,
Yes, Karan.
Just Karan. Okay, just Karan, say. What do you rest? Everybody mute yourself.
ma'am, do you know the full?
Yes, just Karan, say.
Ma'am, do you know the full name of Jasrina?
Jasrina Rawal.
Yes, ma'am. Say Jasrina Rawal. You have said Jasrina, so I am opening my mic. I think that you are saying Jaskaran.
No, I said Jaskaran only. I said yes, Jaskaran. Jaskaran, did you want to say something?
Ma'am,
Can I tell?
Ma'am, tomorrow is my birthday.
Ma'am,
Birthday, Jasrina's birthday.
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, very nice.
ma'am, can I tell?
Father's birthday.
Okay, who
Ma'am, can I
else?
tell?
Who is asking? Tell your name.
Ma'am,
Name. Tell me your name.
Samia.
Samia. Yes, Samia. Say.
Ma'am, after 1:15, I lunch, then I study for 3 o'clock to 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Then I go for TV, and then I have dinner, then I sleep.
All right. Very nice. Very good routine. You don't play on phone.
Ma'am, I play in the dinner only.
Okay. While having dinner only. How many of you play on mobiles and laptops?
Ma'am, we can raise hand.
My mother and
Not
father
play.
don't need a phone to play.
You should
No,
not
I
play. You should not play, children. You already spent so much time, so much screen time you have in your life. You
Yes,
spend
ma'am,
so many
that's
hours on your while studying.
want to become
You must go play outside. You must have outdoor time. The school is enough to have screen time, right? You should not play on your mobiles. You should not watch TV after getting free from your school.
Ma'am,
Yes.
because mobile.
What?
ma'am, when we will start the GK work?
All right, now let's begin our GK chapter. Everybody open up page number 52 of your book.
Ma'am, open. Ma'am, the 51.
Ma'am, please say the page number again.
52.
Okay, everyone has opened page number 52. Everyone has opened. What is the name of the chapter? What is the name of the chapter? Tell me.
Word power.
Word power.
Word power.
Now we have to tick the correct
Word
option.
power.
Tick the correct option.
Okay,
What?
ma'am.
What is the
Ma'am,
opposite of the word bright? Bright means something very shiny.
Ma'am, dull.
Dull. Very good. What is the opposite of bright? Dull.
Light. Option A,
Dull.
dull.
Second, which of these is closest in meaning to the word happy? Which word is very close to the meaning happy?
Glad.
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 Yes, it's glad.
Glad.
Happy,
Glad.
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 Like how we say, I'm so glad to see you. I'm so glad to meet you. That is, I'm so happy to see you.
Ma'am, it is glad. Ma'am, it is glad.
Yes,
What
glad.
is the
It is not mad. It is glad. Happy is glad. Okay? Don't get
Okay, ma'am.
confused.
Okay, ma'am.
Proverbially, where does charity begin? Now there is a proverb. Charity begins from dash. So where does it
What
begin
is
from?
charity?
Charity
Ma'am,
means
what is
daan
charity?
karna. Daan karna. You understand in Hindi? What is daan?
Ma'am, I think school.
No.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, daan means donate.
Yes, to donate.
Ma'am, daan means donate.
Donate. Yes.
Ma'am,
So charity begins.
done. Ma'am, bank. Ma'am, bank. Ma'am, home.
The proverb is charity begins from home. Charity begins from home. Like, now how does charity begin from home? Tell me. If you want to donate something, if you want to help somebody, how do you begin that? The workers, there are so many helpers in your own house, isn't it? So if we ever want to give something to somebody, we can start it from our own home. We can donate things to our helpers only. That is also charity. So the proverb is charity begins from home.
Page number.
Okay. Page number
The page
52.
number is 52.
52.
2.
Then the next one is to be all ears. Means to be all ears. What does it mean? Listen intently,
ears means
study
to
about the ear,
Listen
look at the person's ear or have an ear operation. What does it mean?
Listen intently.
Yes. Now sometimes
Listen intently.
somebody is talking and you actually put your ears into, you try to listen to what other person is talking while he is not talking to you, but we intentionally try to listen to what that person is saying. So that is called to be all ears. Then next, fill in the blank with the correct preposition. He arrived till Sunday, up Sunday, on Sunday, over Sunday.
Till.
On.
Ma'am, till.
No, not till.
On.
He arrived on Sunday.
On.
On.
Anybody
On
sing
is the
like a
correct
cow?
answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
anybody is singing like a cow on as like this.
Yes. He arrived on Sunday. Then, what is the comparative form of tall? Now, when we compare two things, how do we compare? What is the comparative form? Taller. Yes. Jaskaran is taller than Rishabh. Okay. Rishabh is taller than Shaurya. Vedanshu is taller than Jaskaran. Right? When we put comparison, how do we use it? We use it like this.
Taller.
The opposite gender for nephew is nephew. What is the opposite of nephew? Niece.
Nice.
Niece. Okay, the last option. Be quiet. Children, the last option. N-I-E-C-E. The spelling is N-I-E-C-E. It is called niece.
Ma'am, what is niece?
Niece is the opposite of nephew. What is a nephew? Nephew is your
Niece.
your sister's son or your brother's son. That is a nephew.
The opposite gender.
And opposite is niece. A girl is
Ma'am, what
niece
is
and
nephew?
nephew is boy.
And what is the answer? Fifth one.
Fifth one. On. He arrived on Sunday.
Okay, ma'am.
Then the next one is the collective noun for lion is. The collective noun for lions is.
Pride.
Pride.
Then we have, which letter would you drop from the word groove to get a word meaning a small group of trees?
Some group of
Okay, what is that word? Tell me. What does a grove mean? A grove means what? Okay, everybody be quiet. Children, you are saying the answer from the back and just answering. Try to understand what the sentence is. Which letter would you drop? You have to drop one letter from the word groove so that the meaning becomes a small group of trees. A small group of trees. What is a small group of trees called? Tell me. Grove. It is called a grove. So grove If we remove
Ma'am,
one
grow.
if we remove one O from groove, the word becomes grove. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then the 10th one. Which of these words
Ma'am.
means a book in which one keeps his daily record? What is that book called in which we keep our daily record?
Diary.
What? Good. It's a diary.
Diary.
What is the spelling of diary?
ninth one?
Nine.
Ninth one.
Ma'am.
The 9th word is O. The word becomes grove. The word becomes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Everybody be quiet. I'm telling the 9th one word is grove. Grove. And if you drop O from there, groove becomes grove. Is that fine?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the spellings of diary is DIARY. What is DAIRY? Dairy. Dairy. What do you get in a dairy?
Ma'am, dairy means
Dairy. What is a dairy? Dairy is where you get milk from. The milk dairies. Yes, where buffaloes are kept. That's a dairy. And where do you keep your written record? You keep your written record in a diary.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Now next chapter, but for the next chapter,
Excuse
we
me,
have...
ma'am.
Yes, beta.
My battery is very low, so I am leaving.
What?
My battery is very low. I am leaving.
Beta, can anybody understand what she's saying?
Ma'am, it is saying, ma'am, my battery is low. So, ma'am, I leave the meeting. Please
Okay,
tell.
okay. You
Ma'am,
can
I
leave.
can't understand the last question. Tenth
You
one.
can leave the meeting. Okay. See, the last
Ma'am, I
question
can't understand the 10th question.
I'm explaining. Be quiet. Which of these words means a book? There are 4 words given. One of them means book. There are 4 words. Out of these 4 words, one word means a book in which one keeps a daily record. See, children, when you will grow up, you will understand that in a diary, what do we write in a diary? All that we have done on daily basis. Diary has got date. है ना? Diary has got date and day. Each day is written. So the people who are habitual of writing the record of what they have done each day, where do they write it? They write it in a diary. And what is the spelling of diary? DIARY. That is a diary.
DIARY diary.
Yes, very good. That's a diary. Now, everybody close your books. Let me ask you the questions from this chapter only. Okay. What is the proverb? Charity begins from dash.
Ma'am, home. Ma'am, home.
Everybody speak. Charity begins from
Ma'am,
home.
charity became from home. Charity became from home.
Okay. What is the meaning of the word happy?
Glad.
Okay. Akshita Tiwari, can you use this word glad in a sentence? Can you frame a sentence?
I
I'm very glad.
don't know.
Okay. Minha Khan, you tell.
I am very glad.
I am very glad.
I am very glad. I'm very
Ma'am,
glad.
ma'am, can
By
you-
what? What are you happy? This is a simple sentence. I am very happy. I am very
Ma'am, I am
happy. Add a
I
little
am
more
very
in your
glad
sentence.
Because
I am very glad by seeing you.
Very nice. Very good. I am very glad to see you.
my
Okay. I'm very glad to see you.
Ma'am,
I'm
I am very glad to see the toy.
very nice. Very good. I'm very glad to see the toy, or I'm very glad to see my new toy. Very good.
I'm very glad to go to new school.
Oh, very good. Very nice. Then, what is the opposite of the word bright?
Ma'am, dull.
Can you frame a verb? Can you frame a sentence with the word bright in it? Frame a sentence.
Color is very bright. Ma'am, this color is very
right.
Ma'am, this color is very bright.
Okay.
Ma'am, this color is very bright. And
The sun is
Very quiet.
bright.
Samya,
Ma'am,
Olivia,
everything
what
is
are you
very
saying?
bright.
Everybody be quiet. Yes, Samya.
ma'am, in the 2 minutes meeting was end.
Yes, it will end.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
This lipstick is very bright.
Okay, very nice. This lipstick is very bright.
is very bright. Yes, ma'am.
All right, the sun is very bright. And what else? We love to wear, children love to wear bright colors. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Ma'am,
Children's uniform are so bright.
the painting has got very bright colors.
Ma'am, the pencil is very bright.
Very good. Very nice. Okay. Then,
Ma'am, the book
what
cover
is-
is bright in color.
what is the opposite of nephew?
Nice.
Niece.
Nice.
It's not nice. Niece. What is the opposite? Yes, nephew and niece.
Ma'am, I have my niece.
Okay. What is the meaning of to be all ears? What is the meaning of to be all
Listen
ears?
intently.
Ma'am,
Listen intently.
Very nice.
Listen intently.
Okay. Put a preposition. Now listen to my sentence. Okay. And you have to put a preposition. We go dash school daily. We go.
We go to.
Ma'am, we go.
Very nice. Minha. Minha answered it. We go to school daily. Very good. Okay. One more. The book is kept dash the table.
On.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. My clothes are dash the cupboard. My clothes are
In.
very nice. My clothes are